Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Surprice Car Rental, a company that you may have seen in budget car hire listings. Is it a bargain treasure or a hidden trap? Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. What Surprice is, how it works, its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it really deserves the top spot in 2025. Let's get started. Surprice is an international car hire brand that mainly operates across Europe, the Middle East, and some parts of Asia and Africa. It positions itself as a low-cost, budget-friendly rental provider, targeting travelers who want to save on transportation during their trips. The company's promise is simple: affordable rates, a wide range of vehicles, and quick service. But in practice, it's a bit more complicated. Surprice operates through franchise partners in many locations, meaning each branch may be run by a local company under the Surprice brand. This setup allows them to quickly expand and offer cheaper prices, but it also means that service quality can vary greatly from one country to another. Now let us talk about the main features. Booking and locations. You can book directly on their website or through third-party platforms like Discover Cars or Rental Cars. Right on the homepage, you would find a form that makes it easy for you to put in the details and you can find a car. Vehicle fleet and condition. Surprice offers mostly economy and compact cars, though some locations include SUVs and the family vans. These cars are usually a few years old. And Surprice operates mainly around airport locations and tourist destinations, though in many cases the office isn't right inside the airport, but you often need to take a short shuttle ride to their off-site office. Insurance and deposits. This is where many travelers run into issues. The base rental price often includes only basic insurance, which means you will have a high excess or deductible, sometimes as high as a few €1,000. Surprice usually offers additional coverage to reduce or eliminate that excess, but the catch is many customers report feeling pressured to buy this extra insurance on the spot, even if they already have coverage through their credit card or travel insurance. Fuel and mileage policies. Most rentals come with a full-to-full fuel policy, meaning you pick up the car full and return it full. If you return it with less fuel, expect to be charged not only for the missing fuel but sometimes a service fee as well. And the mileage limits can vary. Some contracts offer unlimited mileage while others have restrictions, especially in smaller countries or islands. So always check before booking. Pick-up and drop-off process. Pickup experiences are mixed. Some travelers say that the process was smooth and efficient, while others report long waits for shuttle pickups, unclear meeting points, or unexpected paperwork at the counter. Now let us talk about the pricing. While there is no pricing details clearly displayed on the website, but it is believed that their headline rates are incredibly low. Sometimes you can see prices starting from as little as a few euros per day, which looks like an unbeatable deal. But of course, when you get to the counter, you might pay higher because the base rate typically includes only minimal coverage. There are usually optional extras that you might want to add, and there's additional insurance to reduce your deductible. It can be expensive. And also there are some deposits that need to be made, which can take weeks to be refunded after your trip. What are the pros and cons of using Surprice? First, the pros. Extremely low initial prices, which is great for travelers who are on a budget. Operates in many popular destinations across Europe, America, Africa, Middle East, and Asia. Easy online booking and decent vehicle selection. Flexible add-ons like GPS, child seats, and additional drivers. Potential to save money if you read the fine print and document everything carefully. How about the cons? There have been some reports of inconsistent service quality across locations. Of course, because they operate by franchise, so sometimes the quality of service can differ by location. And the cars might not be premium looking cars. They may have existing damage or may be older than expected. And also the fees can also be a roadblock. You need to be sure of everything you need to pay before you sign an agreement. So after going through all of this, is Surprice Car Rental a good choice in 2025? Well, I'd say it depends on the kind of traveler that you are. If you're someone who values rock bottom prices and you're willing to take a few risks, then Surprice might be worth considering. For short trips where you use the car lightly and return it in perfect condition, you can often walk away with a great deal. So I'd say while Surprise car rental isn't the overall best in 2025, but it's a decent choice for travelers who know the rules, who read the fine print, and who come prepared. If you do choose them, make sure to document everything before and after and never feel pressured to buy add-ons that you do not need. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Sixt, Europcar, and Hertz. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.